Hey you guys, it's Mindy, and I have a package. Some of you will recognize that box before I even tell you what it is, because you've gotten them before. But this one is special. It's special. Okay, so it is from Treasure Studios Art. Okay, I ordered it April 16th, I believe, and it is now May 27th. Not too bad. And it's a custom. So customs were taking even longer because you have to wait for your proof and blah, blah, blah. I'm really pleased this is here. I am so happy. All right, you guys have seen this picture. You've seen it. If you pay attention, you've seen it. And I got a custom. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm so excited. All right, you ready to see it? Are you ready to see it? Rachel at Treasure Studios Art was just wonderful to work with. She actually took this image off a video. Yeah, I don't want to do that. She took it off a video because she could get a better quality than the screenshot that I'd sent her, and showed me a couple options and a couple sizes, and we did it. I can hardly wait to see this. I'm so excited. I think that's everything. That's everything. Drills are inside. Okay, so here is the Treasure Studios Arts bag. Look at it. It says Treasure Studios Art right on the bag. Look at that. This cute little gauzy bag. I'll show you the toolkit. I really want to see the painting. I want to see the painting. Anyhow, we got to do this. There's a tray, a pink squishy for your pen. We have a glittery pen with a multi-placer and your single placer, multi-placer. We have another multi-placer, a couple more. There's a 3, there's a 4 or 5. We have some wax. And we have the pink tweezers. Everybody talks about the pink tweezers. They are the rounded scooped end tweezers. So that is the toolkit. Very pretty. All right. Now, I've learned from watching everybody else, Treasure Studios Arts has mounted adhesive. It is not poured glue. It is not, the double-sided sticky tape. It's some combination of glue and I don't know. But you treat it different than you do poured glue. Like this one, you don't roll backwards because it will mess up your adhesive. Here is my drill. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. The colors on those drills. Holy cow. Wow, look at the colors. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that right there. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. There are 25 colors. And it's titled at the top. It has my name on it, and it's titled Mindy's Sunrise. That's what it's called. Mindy's Sunrise. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. It's got so much color. Oh my goodness. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, I do have one Treasure Studios Arts. It's one of the horse ones. And that one is very, very light, and the image doesn't show up very well on the canvas. But this is amazing. It is amazing. Okay, this is my pond. It is my pond, and it is a sunrise over my pond. Oh my gosh, it's even prettier to look at it through the camera. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is a tree back here, and this is a reflection in my pond of that tree. All right, this is my little whirligig over here. This is where my onyx was laid to rest over here. So I like that that's in there. There's a little bush right here. This is the edge of the pond here. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. It is 65 by 45. I did not want it huge. We went over this a few times. She showed me several sizes and tried to figure out what was different between the larger sizes and this size, and it really didn't change much at all. So I opted for this size because I thought this would be perfect. It wasn't a great big one. Oh my gosh. Oh, those drills over there just look gorgeous. All right, so let me show you. You can see that there is a thumbnail down here with the symbols and the colors. Okay, there's one down here, DMC codes. All right, it says Treasure Studios Arts at the bottom, their Facebook, Pinterest. I did not realize they were on Pinterest. It's got all their information. It says Treasure Studios Arts at the top, and then over here on this legend has my picture. Sorry, I bumped you. See, it has my picture of my painting. It is what I'm now putting at the ends of my videos with my memberships. And see, it's called Mindy's Sunrise, 65 by 45. And here's the symbols. A lot of letters, a few symbols, mostly letters. I like that. That's cool. Nothing crazy. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. All right, so here's the deal. I was going to do like a summer project, summer event with somebody. We were both going to do sunrise pictures that we had taken. And, well, that person can't do it now. If you want to do a sunrise project with me this summer, say in July, maybe August, let me know. Anyhow. Oh, wow. Just wow. Okay, let's look at symbols. There's color blocking. So there's color blocking here, well, some. There's Q's and U's in here. This is color blocking. These Y's, this is probably going to just dark, like black. So there's a lot of color blocking in here. And then you do have some confetti, like down here where the bush is. We have some confetti. Okay, come on. Thank you. So there's confetti down here where the bush is. That's the biggest confetti. I mean, some of this looks like it's color blocking, but it really has more than one symbol. Like these peas, this whole section here that looks like peas, but you see there's peas and then another symbol. So they're kind of mixed, and then it goes to just the peas down here. Look how clear they are, though. The symbols are great. Oh, I can hardly wait. I have not done a Treasure Studio art yet. Like I said, I have the horse, but the horse is in storage. Yeah, storage. Okay, the drills. Oh my goodness, the drills. These look beautiful already. And that bag of purple. That's a huge bag of purple. Okay, the inventory sheet is in black and white. I knew that. They're going to change it at some point, but right now they're just doing their inventory sheet black and white. But look at it. You can see the trees. There's this big tree here that's reflected into the water. There's some rocks here at the edge of my pond. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to love this. So here's your symbol list. I could copy those, put them on my jars, just the symbols, and maybe the number will be all I need. It's round. You can get square, round, or rhinestones, and all their information. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You have to look at these colors. All right. I want to just turn this over so that you can see the colors. Look at how perfect it looks. Look how perfect it is. It wants to curl up still. It's not ready to lay flat yet. Not quite ready to lay flat yet. So maybe we won't do that. It doesn't want to lay flat for us yet. Let's keep it this way. Convince it to lay flat. Maybe if I pulled the paper back a little, would it be more? It's got the plastic, covering. Is it one sheet of plastic? Let's see. Yep, one sheet of plastic. It's coming off very nicely. Let's see. Will you lay down nicely now? Better, yeah. Okay. Oh, there, we got that end to stop curling so much. I didn't have to do the whole thing, just the ends. All right, let's peel this one back a little bit, and then it will lay flat, I think. Peels off so nicely. coming right off. So, all right, pull it just a little bit more, right past that little bump right there. There we go. There, that helped it. I might leave this one out and not roll it up, hang it up somewhere. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's definitely pinks and purples and reds, and then there's dark, where just, you know, there's dark, okay? This is like a coral color. Now look, it has the DMC number. This must be our kit number, 1068. And this is the weight. There's a lot of that coral. And then a little cream. Oh my gosh. There's some more coral, 892. That's their sisters. But look at this. Oh, I could not have asked for a more perfect color. This is one of my favorite colors of all time, 718. And look at how much there is of it in this painting. Oh, I'm in love. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. All right. Another corally color. These are 800s. That's 602. 154 is that dark purple color. The dark purple. Here's our dark colors. So we have to have dark colors because we got, you know, the 939. There's a lot of them. You know, that's going to be here and all through there, the dark. A little bit of 823s to complement the 939s. Yeah. 336 is a little lighter, so we've gone from dark blue to a little lighter. This is like a cranberry color. Look at those colors. Wow. This is 321, red. Okay. And then we have some more pinky coral colors. That's almost a hot pink. That one's kind of cool. Some other pinks. Peach. Beautiful, beautiful. I will zoom you down here in a minute so you can see all of these. We have a little bit of 666 red. Oh man. Oh wow. That's gorgeous. That color right there is gorgeous. That's all I can say. It's gorgeous. Got a little bit of white. Oh yeah, back there, the like reflection back there. That's the actual sun, I believe. Look at that color right there. Another magenta, 3834. That's a really pretty purple. I don't know if I've ever had that color before. Oh, there's one more in the bag. Who's hanging out in the bag? And here's our purples. 327. 552. 552? 550 is one of my favorite colors. I don't know if I've ever had 552. Here's 550. A lot of 550. Yay! And something else and something else. A little more blue. And then this huge bag of this. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. You guys, it's so pretty. This is going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me see if I can spread these out a little bit so you can get the whole thing here. Let's see. All right, there's a couple more down here. You got almost all of them. Look. Wow, right? Pinks and purples. It was the most beautiful sky. It was a gorgeous, gorgeous sky. It's going to be a beautiful painting. Rachel, you did an amazing job with this. I can hardly wait to try this. Now, I do know that these rounds are a little smaller than most rounds, and that's going to take a little bit of getting used to. They are little. Oh my gosh, they're little. They're small, you guys. They're small. They're the size of squares. I've learned a lot about their company. I mean, they use these smaller rounds so that they can print one canvas, and squares and rounds will fit on the same canvas. So they have these smaller rounds. Oh man. It's going to be so beautiful. I mean, this color right here and this color right here alone, my two favorites, pink and magenta. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy. And it didn't take that long. I mean, it really didn't take that long. 5 or 6 weeks maybe. I'm over the moon, ecstatic, or over the sun or something. Oh man, yeah. I'm kind of sad that my partner couldn't do our sunrise sunset collaboration thing we're gonna do, but seriously, if there's somebody out there who wants to do one, you got a sunrise sunset painting picture, let me know. It'd have to be a little later. I got something going on in June and something going on in July. Might be August, but still. Love it. Thank you, Rachel. Rachel, thank you. So beautiful. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm going to put this all away. I didn't even count the colors. I'll do that when I put them away. But yeah, hit the like button if you like this. Check out Treasure Studios Arts if you want to do a custom. Hey. If I remember to do so, I will post a picture of the actual picture that we created this from. So, thanks for watching, you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and